Hello, today I'll be explaining how to sign up and trade futures on Bybit. To use Bybit, signing up is a must. Please visit the sign up page via the link in the video description or the pinned comment. If you sign up through this link or enter the code shown on the screen during sign up, you can receive a 20% discount on your trading fees. If you're signing up with email, click on email. And if you're signing up with a phone number, click on mobile number to proceed. Please note that both the email and phone number must be under your name and in active use, as you will need to receive a verification code. Next, you'll need to set a password. The password must be between 8 and 30 characters and contain at least one uppercase letter and one number. After setting your password, make sure the referral code 18,499 or B5QJY is filled in the referral code section. This code is required for you to get the 20% fee discount. Once everything looks good, click on Create Account. A verification code will be sent to your sign-up method, either email or phone, and you'll need to enter that code. If the code doesn't arrive, be sure to check your spam folder. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you will need to verify your identity, KYC. You cannot use the Bybit platform without completing the KYC process, so this is a mandatory step. KYC is easiest and quickest to complete via mobile, so I'll demonstrate the process on a mobile device. If you don't have the Bybit app installed yet, please download it from Google Play or the Apple App Store. After installing the Bybit app, log in, and you'll see a screen with a Verify Now button at the top, prompting you to complete KYC. If you don't see this message, tap the profile icon in the upper left corner, then tap Unverified ID below your username, and then select Verify Now. At this point, you can proceed with Level 1 verification, which will allow you to deposit and withdraw funds. Tap Verify Now again to continue. Choose your country of issue, then select the type of ID you will use for verification. The available options are resident registration card, passport, driver's license, and residence permit in that order. Choose one of these documents and follow the steps for identity verification. When taking your ID photo, make sure that the photo is clear and that no part of the ID is cropped, blurry, or obscured by light reflections. Ensure the ID is not expired as well, as any issues here may cause the verification to fail. The real-time facial verification is simple. Just place your face inside the circle on the screen and wait for the verification to complete. It may take as little as 10 minutes, but could take up to 1 hour. Now, let's move on to futures trading. Before I explain how to trade futures, there are some important points to keep in mind. Futures trading involves leverage, which can significantly increase potential profits. But it also means that you can incur substantial losses within a short period. There is a system called liquidation, where your position can be closed if you lose too much. To start trading futures, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select the coin you want to trade. Next, tap Cross under the Trade section. A window will pop up, allowing you to choose between isolated or cross position modes. Isolated positions separate the capital in your futures wallet from the amount you're trading, meaning your liquidation price is based only on the amount you entered for the trade. Cross positions use your entire wallet balance, including futures funds, meaning you may be able to stay in the trade longer before liquidation. But if your position hits liquidation, it can use your entire wallet balance. Next, you'll want to set your leverage. This option will appear next to your position. Leverage allows you to increase your potential profit or loss. It's recommended to start with a lower leverage and gradually increase it as you gain experience. Once your position and leverage are set, you'll need to choose either limit or market orders. Limit allows you to enter at a specific price you choose, while market lets you enter at the current market price, executing the trade immediately. Enter the amount of the asset you wish to trade. If you think the price will go up, click Buy Long, and if you think the price will go down, click Sell Short. A confirmation window will pop up, so double-check the details and click Confirm. You can check if your futures trade was completed by scrolling down to the Positions section on the chart. If the trade hasn't been filled yet, you can find it under Current Orders. You can wait for the order to be filled, or if you want to cancel it, simply tap Cancel. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to enter my referral ID during sign-up to get the 20% discount on your trading fees. Thank you.